Dear prospective international master students, I am Professor Frederik Maas. I am affiliated with the Department of Electrical Engineering of KU Leuven, and I am the Program Director for the Master of Biomedical Engineering at the Faculty of Engineering. I would like to give you some explanation of the structure and the program of this master, in the hope that this master fits your interests and prior education, and that you will be enthusiastic for applying for this master program at KU Leuven. In the Master of Biomedical Engineering, you will be trained as a biomedical engineer. The biomedical engineer is primarily an engineer who applies technological knowledge and engineering competences within the domain of healthcare. This technological knowledge is very broad, ranging from mechanics, electrical engineering, and material science to computer sciences and artificial intelligence. The biomedical engineer is an interdisciplinary integrator who has the ability to integrate a wide range of technical scientific knowledge into medical problems. Therefore, a good understanding of the technological needs in medicine is necessary. The biomedical engineer plays a central role in the development of new medical devices for diagnosis and treatment, both hardware and software, and also plays an important role in applied biomedical research, which is very much interdisciplinary and requires close collaboration between engineers and clinicians. The profile of the biomedical engineer in the work field is quite diverse. This is also evident from a survey of about 200 recently graduated alumni that we conducted. Half end up in a technical production position, but the other half in management, in consultancy, in education and research, in marketing and other positions. 3/4 of the alumni work in industry, of which more than half mainly in the medical sector, but a significant proportion also in other non-medical industry and in consultancy. Almost 1/4 further specializes at the university or another research institution, for example in a doctoral program. The Master of Biomedical Engineering at KU Leuven is an interdisciplinary program that is organized by the departments of Mechanical Engineering and Electrical Engineering. There is also a strong link with the University Hospital Gasthuisberg, UZ Leuven, and many professors from the program have research collaborations in the hospital of the university. This makes it possible to bring students into contact with the medical field during their training, for example, in the context of research training or the master's thesis. The multidisciplinary aspect is reflected in the structure of the Master of Biomedical Engineering program. The master program has been renewed from 2021-2022 onwards, the next academic year, because of the introduction of a new bachelor's program of biomedical engineering at KU Leuven. The program roughly consists of 3 blocks: a common part that is compulsory for all students for a total of 73 credits, that is supplemented by a specialization block of 35 credits, organized according to a number of options, with some compulsory courses per option complemented by additional electives, and a block of general interest courses of about 12 credits. The basic medical courses on anatomy, physiology, and cell biology that used to be part of the master program are starting from this academic year no longer part of the master's program, but are part of the bachelor's program of biomedical engineering and are a prerequisite for admission to the master program. The common core, the truncus communis of the master program, consists of 73 credits and builds on the fundamental engineering knowledge and the basic medical knowledge already acquired in the bachelor's program in biomedical engineering. This core contains a number of compulsory courses that provide the fundamentals of biomedical engineering and cover different technology domains such as biomedical imaging, data processing, biomedical instrumentation, biomechanics, bioinformatics, medical equipment, and regulation. These are mainly lectures supplemented with exercise sessions and practical sessions. In addition, there is also a focus on more concrete, project-based training via a specific course, research training in biomedical technology of 6 credits, and the master thesis, of course, of 24 credits. The core program is supplemented by elective courses that are offered around a number of specific options. You choose one of 5 possible options: biomechanics, tissue engineering, bioelectronics, biomedical data analytics, bioinformatics, and AI. Within each option, a core of compulsory courses of approximately 20 credits has been composed, and each student takes all compulsory courses in the chosen elective option. The remaining credits can be taken freely with electives from other options or from other programs, subject to motivation and approval, up to a minimum of 35 credits in total. General electives such as an industrial internship or international Athens courses can also be taken as an elective. Finally, the program is completed with between 10 to 12 credits of general interest courses. These could be courses on management, communication, socio-economic or ethical aspects of medical technology, marketing, etc. This part also includes a subject on European perspectives on religion and meaning, which is a compulsory subject for all master's program in engineering science at KU Leuven. Enrollment into this master program is subject to a formal application and admission procedure. Prospective students are required to have a bachelor's degree with a strong and broad technological background in engineering, with basic knowledge in mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, material science, statistics, computer science, and a basic background in cell biology, human anatomy, and system physiology. So you need to have a background both in engineering as well as in some basic medical courses. In practice, this means that a bachelor degree in biomedical engineering or a closely related field is required. In addition, strict language requirements are imposed, as for all master programs at KU Leuven, with a proficiency in English, both reading, speaking, and writing, proven by an official language test such as TOEFL or equivalent. A GRE test is recommended, but is not formally required. You find all information on the admissions procedure on the website of the International Admissions Office of KU Leuven, as mentioned here on the slide. Finally, concluding why choosing for a master in biomedical engineering. The master's program is strongly interdisciplinary. It is supported by various stakeholders from strong research groups at KU Leuven in the field of biomedical technology and by its proximity to the largest university hospital in Belgium. The program is strongly research-driven. All professors in the program incorporate research topics in their courses, research topics and results from their own research. The mix of compulsory courses and elective courses ensures that the student becomes a general expert in biomedical engineering, but also a specialist in a specific domain. Industry experience is accessible to all students through various channels such as industrial internships and master's theses. And finally, when we talk to industry representatives, alumni and non-alumni of our education, they from biomedical engineering companies, they report that the graduates have a high level of skills, are flexible, and can integrate well into their companies. Finally, more information can be found in the official program book of KU Leuven and on the webpage of the Master of Biomedical Engineering program at the websites mentioned on the slide. Moreover, in case of questions, you can contact the Educational Support Office of the Master of Biomedical Engineering program at the indicated email address pocbmt@mech.kuleuven.be. I wish you good luck in your future academic career, and maybe I will meet you soon as a master student at KU Leuven. Thank you.